Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and I'm bringing you a video today on this 2013 Mercedes-Benz ML350 that we just did a ZZ2 Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface. Now, many of you may not know what that is. It's basically an interface module that allows us to add the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto technology to the factory screen. And specifically, the part that we installed today is the ZZ2 brand IT3 NTG45. And I'll put a link to this product on our website in the description below of this video. But basically what this is, factory interface, plug and play, no wires needed to be spliced. That allows us to put CarPlay into the factory radio. And I'm just going to demonstrate this to you. I'm going to start the vehicle. I've plugged in my coworker's iPhone here.
During parking mode, motion detection recording. 2 and event detection recording. 2.
Okay,
Occurred.
so I plugged in the phone. Obviously, Apple CarPlay started up right away. You control it through the actual, I believe they call this the command knob for this Mercedes entertainment unit. So essentially, you're going to see, as I turn the dial, it's going to allow me to control CarPlay. I can do things like phone, messages, maps, music. All the typical features of Apple CarPlay are on this screen. This particular radio is not touchscreen, so you're going to see it doesn't work through touch. If I go to the Mercedes menu, it's going to take me back to the main menu of the ZZ2 interface. You're going to see this particular interface has wireless CarPlay along with wired. Currently, I am using wired. I prefer wired CarPlay as it charges the phone, but if you want, this has got Wi-Fi so that you can connect the phone wirelessly. Same for Android Auto, both wired and wireless. It's got a USB input, so if you did have a USB key that had video files, you could watch video on the screen. It's got basically camera inputs, front and rear. So if the vehicle that you're installing this interface into does not have a backup camera, you could add a backup camera to this and it'll automatically switch when you put it in reverse. Same with front view camera. It also gives you an HDMI input. So if you wanted to do HDMI phone mirroring, you could do that for video. And then you've got your setup menu right here. Your setup menu is going to do things like language, the reverse input, whether you want it to switch on and off. And then obviously all of your settings with regards to how the camera shows on the screen, as well as whether it's right-hand drive or left-hand drive. And then from there, if I go back to here, it's going to go back to the CarPlay menu and you're going to get your Apple CarPlay. I'm amazed at how fast the response time is. It works really, really well, boots up right away as soon as you plug it in. And I think it's a great addition to this vehicle. Rather than buying a whole new Mercedes ML350 that's got CarPlay, this particular customer did the wise thing. They just added the upgrade and they can keep this wonderful vehicle the way it is and update the technology to today's tech. Hope you enjoyed this video. Haven't made a video in quite a few months. I've been actually gone away on vacation. I'm back now, so we're going to be making a lot more videos like this. We're going to try and actually improve on the YouTube channel. We're going to do some video editing and things of that nature coming soon. If you enjoyed this video, do hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. 1-866-824-4118, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca. And www.lockdownsecurity.ca is our website. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.